Next, we will discuss the product rule for differentiation. The product rule states that the derivative of a product of two functions is not the product of the derivatives, but the following combination of functions and their derivatives. This is the rule stated in Newton notation, and this is the same rule stated in Leibniz notation. We can ease the notation by dropping all the x's from the statements of the rule. It is also beneficial to know how to state the rule using different sets of letters. Here's the same rule written in terms of u and v. We can also write the product rule for products of three functions. It certainly makes the product rule for two functions look much easier. Here is the same rule written using u, v, and w for naming functions. Once you see the pattern, you can write a rule for finding derivatives of products of 4 and more functions. Let's, for example, find the derivative of the following function. We start the process by recognizing that we have to find the derivative of a product of two functions, which is equal to the following combination of functions and their derivatives, each of which we should either already know or know how to find. We get the final answer after plugging everything in and simplifying. We discussed the product rule for differentiation and how it makes it possible to find the derivatives of products of functions.